Tired of getting generic answers from ChatGPT? Let's fix that. I'm going to show you 3 pro-level prompts that will completely change how you use it. You'll go from basic user to power user in just 1 minute. First, the persona prompt. Instead of just asking a question, tell ChatGPT who to be. For example, say, act as an expert copywriter. Write 3 catchy headlines for a video about productivity hacks. This gives you specialized, high-quality results. Second, the step-by-step prompt. If you need to learn a skill, ask it to break it down. Try this. I want to learn how to make a sourdough starter. Provide a step-by-step guide for a complete beginner. It's like having a personal tutor. Finally, the reframing prompt. If you're stuck on a problem, ask ChatGPT to reframe it. For instance, reframe the problem of not having enough time into an opportunity. This sparks creative solutions you'd never think of. Try these out and let me know how it goes. Subscribe for more AI tips.